Water Safe Dave, mascot of the Water Supplies Department. Have you ever wondered where does drinking water come from? Hong Kong currently relies on water from Dongjiang River and rainwater collected from local reservoirs to satisfy the demand. However, as rainfall and climate have become more uncertain, we need to source new water supplies to build resilience in the fresh water supply system. This is where our story of first stage of Cheung Kwan O Desalination Plant begins. Since the end of 2019, Water Supplies Department has been constructing a seawater desalination plant using reverse osmosis technology in Cheung Kwan O Area 137, at the southern end of Cheung Kwan O. The plant is about 5.6 hectares in size, which equals to around 8 standard football fields. The first stage of Cheung Kwan O Desalination Plant is the first municipal desalination plant in Hong Kong to adopt reverse osmosis technology to convert seawater to drinking water. The plant can produce a maximum of 135,000 cubic meters of drinking water per day, which is about 5% of the daily water demand in Hong Kong. Seawater entering into the desalination plant will go through 4 main stages of treatment, namely screening, pre-treatment, reverse osmosis, and post-treatment. The plant consists of over 10 structures, such as the intake and outfall in the sea, ACTIDAF for pre-treatment, reverse osmosis building for the main RO process, and post-treatment building. The administration building acts as the central control hub of the plant. Let's visit the Cheung Kwan O Desalination Plant together now. The process starts by extracting seawater from the sea through the intake shaft located offshore. Seawater gently flows through the bar screens, which removes large solids and prevents marine life from entering the facilities. After screening, seawater will then enter the pre-treatment facilities so that more solids and suspended particles can be removed. The pre-treatment process consists of 2 steps. Firstly, chemicals will be added to clump the suspended particles together. The bigger particles will be attached and lifted up by many small bubbles to the tank surface and removed by scraper. The clarified water then goes through layers of sand and gravels to retain the finer particles in the filter tank. The filtered water is now ready for the next stage, which is the reverse osmosis process, also known as RO. RO is a proven technology for seawater desalination. Simply put, seawater is pushed through a semi-permeable membrane under high pressure to remove salts and other dissolved solids, leaving only fresh water for further treatment. In the desalination plant, RO process takes place in a series of tubes. These tubes comprise of multiple layers of semi-permeable membrane rolled into a cylinder that surrounds the water collection tube at the center. Under high pressure, seawater is pumped through these tubes and goes through the membranes to become pure water. The pure water is collected at the central pipes, while the remaining highly concentrated salt water, called brine, is dispersed back to the sea. The pure water is now ultra-clean. Yet, the process is not over. Chemical dosing such as chlorine, carbon dioxide, lime and fluoride are added to the water to disinfect, adjust pH and water hardness. Now, this water meets the Hong Kong drinking water standards and is ready for you to drink. Give it a try. That's it for my overview today. See you all next time.